Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord 2T, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this phone through recovery mode. Now this process will also remove things like a screen lock if you have one that you don't know. And as you can see, I do have a pattern set right here, so I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know it. So number one, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time, or just press it, and it gives us boot options. Select power off, and when the device turns off, hold power key and the volume down this time around. So you want to hold it, and after a moment the device will turn back on and give you, like right here, there we go, in the tiniest text, recovery mode. When you see that, you can let go and simply wait for the actual mode to show up. There we go, where from here you want to select your desired language. For me it was English, and then select wipe data, format data. It will tell you to confirm it with the pin that is provided right here, or code. So 5350, select format. This will now begin formatting. Once it's finished, it gives you data formatted. Click on OK, and it looks like the device reboots on its own, so we don't have to do anything extra. Now this will take about a minute or so to finish up, and once it has, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.